I'm Domingo Garza with ComEd's Emergency Preparedness Team. As the most reliable utility company in the nation, this vehicle will support our field crews in restoring customers even faster during storm. Welcome to the new mobile command vehicle presented by Emergency Preparedness. We also have the emergency air restoration team that's working the mobile command vehicle currently. We're just going to take you kind of the flow of the vehicle where we control all of the functions of setting up the MCV here at the control panel. This allows us to auto level, deploy the bump outs, and get us on board on generation to get our network to the tied in. And then as we go through here, we got our 4 perimeter cameras so we can have a surrounding view of what's happening around the area, so we can keep an eye for security. As we go here to the right, we have our air restoration team working over here on a SCADA map, working off of their tracker over here via Teams. And then here we have the maps that were printed out that are gonna designate what areas of response and what we're gonna do on our initial process of restoring our customers. And as we come through here, we have our full printer capability, our network rack where we house our AT&T, Verizon, and the Starlink redundancy. And that keeps us tied into the network at all times. So we have 3 points of failure so that any one of those devices go offline, we have another that picks up and keeps us in communications. And then as we push through here, this is going to be the second area of the second part of the team coming in here. We have also a couple monitors. They'll be viewing either maps, weather stations, OMS, which is our dispatching software. And then we also have another function here, just perimeter cameras, and/or we'll be able to monitor news from this monitor here. We have a total of 12 to 14 workstations where all these members can comfortably work in this area. And as I stated before, our #1 priority is restoring our customers in a timely fashion.